Hello YouTube. Earlier I was in bed watching Matt Parker on the Numberphile channel, and the sheer volume of mathematical information being uploaded into my tiny brain required more calories to fuel the processing than my body had at its disposal. The hunger alarm bells started to ring, so I paused the video and took to a popular takeaway app, Just Eat. I quickly decided to order from my local Pizza Hut for you and went straight for the special offers, as I'm sure a lot of you do. Unfortunately, I found myself unable to proceed, paralysed by the choice ahead. One deal had 6 wings, one deal had a bottle of drink, one had 2 dips, one had 3. All the big questions in the universe were coming at once. Was it better to buy 2 medium pizzas or 1 large one? How much am I actually saving with each deal? I was paralysed with the choices, unable to continue with my order. I blame Matt Parker and Numberphile for putting me in such a mathematically curious mood. But anyway, I finally got out of bed and took the one and only course of action that one should ever take when faced with such a dilemma. Make a spreadsheet. Okay, so here is my final takeaway calculator. The first thing I did, obviously, is make this look pretty, because you have to make it look vaguely pretty. And then I listed all the parts that I would get in any of the deals that I was interested in. So that is a pizza, a dip, drink, a wing, a piece of garlic bread, or a hot cookie. And here are the units underneath. This is pizza per square inch. That's the cost of pizza per square inch. That's the cost of an individual dip, 59p. That is the cost of drink per litre. I'll show you how I calculated all this in a minute. That is a cost per wing, cost per piece of garlic bread, and cost per hot cookie. So with the pizza, I got the prices of the pizza. So for example, a 10-inch pizza was $11.99, a 13-inch pizza was $14.99. A 15-inch pizza was $16.99 and an 18-inch pizza was $20.99. I worked out what the surface area of that pizza is with pi r squared, and basically worked out what the price was per square inch. And the cheapest price per square inch obviously is on the largest pizza, the 18-inch pizza. So that is my base price for an American hot pizza, which is what I'm interested in. So I copied that price over to there. So that is my pizza price per square inch, and that's what I'm basing stuff off. The dips were 59p each. The drink I calculated, obviously you can get it in a can or you can get it in a 1.25 litre bottle for Coke, which is again what I'm interested in. So that worked out at $2.99, so that is £2.39, call it, £2.39 per litre. So that was copied over there for the drink. Each wing, I just looked at a pack of wings, the largest pack of wings you could buy, and divided it up, and that worked out as $8.99 divided by 14 wings, which gave us, what am I doing there? About 64, just over 64p per wing. Garlic bread, same thing, just over almost 75p per piece of garlic bread, and the hot cookies are just over £1.12 per hot cookie. And then I went to every single deal. If I just sort these first, if I go to data here and sort them. So I put in all the different meals down the side. And you can see I put in the square inches of the pizza. So for example here, that is 18 divided by 2, because I'm looking for the radius, squared times by pi. So that's giving me the surface area of the pizza. And then I'm sort of back calculating it and doing that as a reverse calculation just to get the pizza size out. As you can see, there's some weird ones here, because this one here is actually 3 10-inch pizzas that when you kind of back calculate is the same as a 17.3205 pizza. I hope you're keeping up with this. So I sort of calculated all of that, and I put in all the different deals with the dips and the drinks, and I put in the actual deal prices. And then I put in the price here, which I calculated all the way over here. Basically, I got a little set of figures here, which is the actual area multiplied by the price, and the dips multiplied by the price, and for example the drink multiplied by the price, and that gives us a no deal price when you add all of those figures together. So if you add all of this row together, that comes out to be the no deal price. So that's what would happen if we were buying these off the menu without a deal. If we were, buying an 18-inch pizza off the meal with 2 dips, off the menu with no deal, it would come out to £22.17. So, and the deal price is £17.99 for that. So what's the saving? The saving is 18.85%. So I did this for all the deals that I was interested in, with any of the bits that I'd be interested in having. And it gave me this spreadsheet, so I can sort it by saving. So I can go to column K and sort that by saving descending. So our biggest saving is obviously on the biggest deal, the Anytime Bargain Pizza. And the bargain box certainly is a bargain with 27.58% saving. But then you can kind of look down and say, well, how much do I want to spend? Right, £17.99. Oh, that's good. The biggest pizza in town. 18-inch pizza, single one. I'm not got any multipliers on that. And I'm getting an 18.85% saving on that. So I'm getting a 18-inch pizza and 2 dips. That's fantastic. So it's a really good tool for choosing what you want. And it really helped me with my anxiety when I was lying in bed trying to decide what to do. And I'm glad I went to all of this trouble. And at the bottom here, you've got the any 2 pizzas. If you get 2 pizzas on their deal, which works out to about a 14.1421 inches squared surface area. That annoys me, the fact that it's square inches there, but then it's litres for the drink. You've got imperial and then metric units all mixed up within one menu. But that's Great Britain for you, eh? But that is 2 10-inch pizzas there, which come in, if you compare it to the base pizza price of an 18-inch pizza, that costs £18.99, which is actually minus 46% saving. Okay, so you're in the negative, you're actually losing money. You might as well, instead of spending £18.99 on 2 pizzas, you might as well go for the biggest pizza in town for £17.99, which is an 18.85% saving. So by doing this, you're never going to get conned. Now, I would urge anyone out there who wants to get a takeaway, or in America, I know you say takeout, from whatever app you use. Over here, Just Eat, Uber Eats, or I'm trying to think of the other one now. What's the one where they Deliveroo? That's the one where they're on bikes. And in America, you have Grubhub and all those other ones. I really would suggest, before you do your order, making a spreadsheet like this. Now, it took me approximately an hour and a half to get all the data in, and I did the survey, and then in the end I actually went for the biggest pizza in town, which, because of the 18.85% saving, and it was £17.99. But in the end, at the checkout, it said, do you want some ice cream for £6.99? I thought, why not? And I just pressed the button and ordered it anyway. So I threw all of my calculations out the window. I'm glad I got the ice cream, because I need the extra calories after burning so many doing this. I'm glad you enjoyed it, or at least I hope you did. Please give the video a thumbs up and like and subscribe and all of that.